Hi there, it's Dave from Little Acorns Forest Schools Limited. Today we're using a pruning saw. We're going to use the pruning saw for woodland management, and what we're going to use this in a little bit further down the programme when we've established the trust with our learners. All right. As with all things, we're going to give a tool talk to start off with. So this is a pruning saw. This is the handle. This is the blade. I open the blade like this. Press and open. And I close it like this. Press and close. I hold the pruning saw like this and I walk with it like this. I hand it over like this. I use the pruning saw for cutting anything up to fist size. Okay. When I use the pruning saw, I use it 2 arms and a tool length away from anybody else. Okay, I always wear a glove on my helper hand. When I'm moving with it, I always make sure that it's closed. When I'm not using it, I place it down on the ground so that the handle faces forward and the blade points towards me. And when I finish using it, I replace it back into the toolbox. Okay, so pruning saw. This one's made by a company called Barco. We've got a theme going on here with all the tools which we're using. Barco are a very good make. All right, they're very strong and they work. All right, so that's why we use them. The only problem you've got with this one is you've got to press onto the button to open it out, and then it will click into place, and press to close it as well. If we don't do that, then we've got that issue of maybe it's not open enough when we put it onto the wood and then it closes, or when we close it, we need to make sure that our hand is open and we hold and we close over to the bottom of it. This is why this tool comes in at the end of the tool session. Okay, so we're going to use this now to cut a piece of wood in half. Okay, because what we're going to do on to further videos is we're going to show you how to use a sheath knife and actually now how to make a feather stick. Okay, thanks for watching.